Those people in the corner, there's no way I can be exciting if you're standing in that corner. I've practiced really hard to be pretty exciting. Okay. So for starters, hi, my name is Jonathan Kay. I'm the ambassador of Buzz at Chargify. For all you tweeting, I'm at Grasshopper Buzz, and we are at Chargify. Perfect. Happy we got that out of the way. So essentially, Chargify is a recurring billing system. So anyone who's selling a product or a service online on a subscription or a recurring basis, we're your billing solution. And I was talking to Frank a minute ago, and he brought up a really interesting point that I'd like to leave with. So why did we get involved in this, right? Like, of all the companies we could start, why this? So we're serial entrepreneurs. We've started other companies. And every time we've realized that creating our own custom billing application, it just sucks. You can be the best developer that you could possibly be, but the point is that you need to be spending that time developing your applications, the thing you actually want to charge money for, not the mechanism that actually charges you money. So that's kind of why we got involved in it. I'm going to show you just a quick example of something I created this morning. The fake company is called Plain Whites. I sell underwear on a subscription basis, and I'll actually deliver it to your home every 3 months, right? Because guys need that type of thing. So as you can see here, I have
don't forget to say that this is actually real.
This is real, and I'll get to that. You're ruining my thunder over there. All right. So I have three packages, right? So my first package is the go-getter, right? So for that guy that just needs one pair of underwear every 3 months, we're going to charge him a $3.99 setup fee, $7 every month, right? The average guy who needs 2 pairs, $11.99. The lazy guy who really needs a lot of underwear, we're going to charge him $18.99 on a monthly basis. So as you can see, we have different price points on a subscription basis. So if you go in here, you can see that it's really easy to set up, right? Anyone can do it. You can charge one-time charges, trial periods, coupons, discounts. How often does it recur? Is it every 2 weeks, 3 months, 6 months? We have a meter billing component. So if you want, 5 apples equals $1, we can set up a meter component for you. Really think about it as a skeleton, right? So it's a billing system that can do what you want it to do. So let me just head front one of your questions. So why are we better than PayPal and Google Checkout, right? And here's why. So PayPal understands charge Frank $10 on July 1st. Charge Frank $10 on August 1st. And that's all it understands, right? It'll keep doing that. It'll charge someone's name an X amount of dollars on one period of time. It doesn't understand that maybe he has a 30-day free trial, or maybe he wants to add on this feature, or maybe he wants different price points. So it doesn't really allow you to do anything other than one simple transaction once a month. Okay, we have our products. We'd like to make money. So I don't have a developer. How do I make money on day one? Well, it's really simple, because I'm the least technical human being in the entire world, and I created this morning. So this is my Plain Whites hosted payment page. I got my logo. I got my very simple CSS. I know how to just create a blue background, and I can immediately start making money, right? These are all customized fields, and I can make money on day one. Go right back into my app, go into my transactions, and I'm going to see, great. So Joe Smith was charged, so his credit card was successfully charged, which is really important. Most importantly, I can now see that I received the payment. So my gateway has now received the payment, which is also really important. So you can track all that. You can see we made $11. Awesome, this was a profitable morning. But for those people who want to be more integrated, right? You have a developer. What do? But you integrate via our API, which is what we recommend, because now you have a seamless process for someone signing up on your website. The best example is Netflix, right? You go to Netflix.com, you sign up, you give them your billing, shipping, credit card information. Something magical happens. You start to get DVDs. They start to get money every month. But something's happening in the background, right? So they're engaging a company like Chargify. So just one other quick thing to mention is one way we differentiate ourselves, right? So again, all of our experience. What we learned is that in some of our previous companies, we actually lost about 20 to 30% of our customers because of something stupid as credit cards expiring, people not going back on your website, and you guys losing the connection. And it's not like they didn't want to keep using your product, just a simple mistake. So we created what we would call a dunning process. So we've given you 3 mentalities that you can reach out to your customers every 21 days, 14 days, 7 days before their credit card expires, simply saying, hey, we love that you're our customer. We want you to still be our customer. And here's a link that takes you directly to the page where you can update your credit card information. And it starts to remind them the whole month beforehand. So simple things like that make it worth $10, $20 a month to engage us over PayPal. So let me just show you one example, because yes, I do not really sell underwear, but one of our customers actually does, right? So Manpax is one of our customers. They sell subscription underwear. And the reason I wanted to show you this is A, because it's really wildly cool and unique, but also because it kind of goes to show when you integrate via an API, you can engage their website, think that they're the most professional website ever, and really we're doing so much in the background, and this is two guys sitting in an apartment in Rhode Island, right? So don't tell them I told you that, but the point is like, you know what I mean, it's really helpful for your business. And the last thing that I want to do is just show you our pricing. And the reason we picked this pricing is for a specific reason. We asked entrepreneurs what are the two things they hate most about engaging a billing company. They don't want to give away a percentage of revenue because they want to make millions of dollars. And I don't want to give you a percentage of that before I've made anything. And they don't want a transaction fee because MasterCard, Visa, American Express, they already charge a transaction fee. So we're not going to sneak another one on top. So what we did was we created a tiered pricing model. However many customers you bill is the amount of customers we will charge you for. Your first 50 customers that you bill are free, which goes to show that we've decided to invest in our customers. Right now we have 2,000 customers, in which 1,700 are in the free model, right? So we're not making a ton of money right now, but the point is, as our customers, as the entrepreneurs that we work with grow, we will start to make more money. So I'm Jonathan Kay. I'd be happy to answer any questions now.
Do merchants have to have credit card merchant accounts in order to use your service?
Yes. So you need to engage a merchant account. We are simply a professional overlay. So I'd be happy to show you the merchant and the gateways that we support. We support all the big ones. We're in the UK, Australia, and we're adding new gateways, right? So if you tell us that there's one that you need, we'll put it on our list.
So you guys don't, you don't offer your own merchant setup, getting that transaction, that 0.2%.
Right. So we don't want to be involved in that, right?
So you don't even want to be involved in.
So there's people that are PCI, we're PCI compliant, but the point is, there's people that have vaults that store credit cards, right? They're really good at that. We don't want your credit card. We don't want your customers' credit card information.
But you don't do any of the Sage payment solutions where you're the you get that. You go and you help them set up the account. They have to go and get their merchant account themselves, or do you do any of that?
Right. So the founder of the company is sitting at his desk right now answering support tickets. So if you call us up.